Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the BTS2 Bluetooth intercom headset which I purchased from Banggood.com. The link to purchase this product is given down in the description below. So guys, please check it out. Let me open the box and check what's inside the package. The package looks very amazing. It is packed in very good condition. And let's open the tape and see what's inside the box contents. This is the BT intercom headset. As you all can see, the features are the FM radio, rider to pillion, rider to rider up to 1000 meters, fits onto almost any helmet, cable input, info feed. Let's sort everything aside and see the box contents. As you all can see guys, these are the main box contents. This is the main intercom, the mic and the speakers, the charging adapter, the cable to charge, and let's open this plastic and sort inside what it is. This is the Velcro. These are the auxiliary cables. Let's remove this from the plastic. This is the Allen key. These are the two Allen key bolts. This thing is used to fit the intercom inside your helmet in this manner. And now let's install it on my helmet. In this way I've installed the intercom with the Allen key and this clip. This wire connected to the intercom is taken internally from the helmet's padding. And here is the speaker 1 which I've installed. And this, the opposite side, is the speaker 2, and this is the mic. Now I'll connect this intercom to my phone and let's play some music and check the quality of the speakers. And now let's switch on the intercom while pressing this button hard, and here comes the blue light with a beep sound. Now let's connect it to my phone. This is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let's on this Bluetooth, switch on, and let's see the name. BTS2 is the name, and it's showing connecting, and it's connected. Now let's increase the volume and play some songs. Let's play this. Attention. And guys, as you all heard, the sound of the speaker is very amazing. You all can answer calls, hear sounds, music, radio, FM, anything. And I think it's worth it as what I bought. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.